One other thing that we want to manage is our environment. Making sure that we have enough minimum airflow so that we can keep fresh air coming into the barn. Then we also want to manage temperature, which is a really critical part of bringing wean pigs in. Wean pigs, they cannot take, they really require a pretty hot environment. So we're looking at 85 to 89 degrees depending on the weight and the health of the pig. What we really want to see is two things. Number one, it needs to be comfortable for the person, even though it might be pretty hot at 86 degrees. But we want to make sure that the air quality is good and that we feel comfortable with the air that's in the barn. The other thing is that we want to take a look at the pigs. So here we can see the pigs that are spread out, laying next to each other. That is a good sign. It may be a tick cold. We've got a little bit of piling way in the corner. However, what we want to see is pigs laid out right next to each other. That's a sign that the pigs aren't too cold and aren't too hot. If they're spread out farther than that, then that means that we may have a too hot of environment. If they're piling up on each other too deep, that means that we have too cool of an environment. So we really want to measure ourselves, and we want to use ourselves as a measure, and we want to use the pigs as a measure when we're looking at the environment of starting pigs.